On है video. Hello guys, हम अभी यहाँ पे. What is the name of this place?
Welcome to my channel.
Yeah. What is the name of this place?
I don't know.
Okay guys, the name of this place is I don't know. It's a beautiful place. The view is beautiful. If you see everything from here up here, and if you want to die, you can just jump off here, and you will have a beautiful death because the place is so beautiful. It's chilly, it's cold, and it's nice. The food is good, although I haven't tried anything until now, but it looks good.
Even if it's bad, it will be good.
Yeah, because we are hungry. Besides, the view is good. So, what do you guys think about the food, by the way? Oh, this is chorba, lentil soup, and chicken soup, lentil soup. And this is keema. It's like
Keema roti.
no, it's like a pancake. It's with a filling. It's a pancake with a filling. Minced filling. And these two guys we got acquainted with them. They are from Saudi Arabia. Their names are, I don't even know their names.
Muhammad.
Fawaz.
Okay. So this is
You can
this is
introduce
strange.
yourself. You can introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Don't
This
know your name.
is strange. I'm a bit strange because when you said my name is Muhammad, I was expecting him to say the same. I'm also because that's a very common name in Saudi Arabia.
It is.
Yeah. So by the way, it's nice to see you guys. You guys are cool, nice. It's good to get acquainted.
Now let's finish the meat.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay,
go.
guys. See you in next video. Until then, please don't kill yourself. Okay. Bye. Hey everyone, how are you? It's good to meet you again. I am here with my friend Muhammad from Saudi Arabia. Newly found love. Oh, I'm sorry. I meant friend, not love. Newly found. Shaitan al-Rajim. So we are here in Shadal, but when the local people say this name, they don't pronounce the G, so they pronounce it as Shada.
Shada. I know this information before.
Yeah. So you knew this?
Yes.
No, you didn't. You didn't because you did it. Okay. So we are gonna go up through the cable car, and then we are gonna be on that roller coaster. Oh my goodness! I have never been on a roller coaster before, and I'm
We are so excited.
Excited!
We're so
Not. Hello. We are so excited, actually,
So you should.
and
Hey!
probably we'll go paragliding as well. Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. Why not?
So it's good to be here.
It's good to be here.
It's good to become friends with new people. I mean, he's old. He's older than I am, but
Yeah, I am 49.
our friendship is new.
But I have good genes.
Yeah. But yeah.
You're 19, right?
Good genes, yeah. Good genes. Good genes, yeah. Okay.
Hella.
So the two.
Okay.
You almost fell. So the tour guide is calling us over the cable car. So see you up there, and tell you more. I'll tell you more about the
Take
place.
care حبيبي.
When ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ ਹੈ
طيبين.
ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਅੱਜ
كل
ਕੱਲ
العائلة بخير.
ਹਾਂ
عوالك،
ਫੋਟੋ
عوالك.
ਚ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ
عوالك شلونهم؟
ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ
امورهم طيبين.
ਅੱਛਾ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਸਭ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
القبة حقك بكم؟
ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ
والله
ਠੀਕ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ
ثقة الامور طيبة.
ਤਜਰਬਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
جربة ثقة.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤਜਰਬਾ
قبوعك ثقة.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ثقة. الامور طيبة.
ਕਿੱਦਾਂ
الديرة والعوال كلهم خير.
ਕਿਹੜੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਤੋਂ
والله برد ذبحنا البرد وانا اخوك.
ਅੱਛਾ
والله ذبحنا
ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ
البرد.
ਘੰਟੇ ਦੀ ਫਲਾਈਟ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੋਂ
ما
ਅਜ਼ਰਬਾਈਜਾਨ
نقدر نولع الدخان غاز ما فيه.
ਅੱਛਾ ਸਹੀ
غاز ما فيه يلعن ابوها حاله ما صارت.
ਸਹੀ
بس الديرة حلوة.
ਤੇ ਮੌਸਮ ਕਿਹਦਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਆਪਣਾ ਬਰਫ਼ਬਾਰੀ ਕੈਸੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ
كلام كبير.
ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਟੂਰ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ
كلام كبير. قبوع 100
ਹਾਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਟੂਰ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ
الامور طيبة.
ਨਹੀਂ ਤੈਯਬਾ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਨਹੀਂ
ما هي طيبة.
ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ
والله
ਮਿਲਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ
يعني
ਤੈਯਬਾ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ
قبوعك تمام.
ਗੱਬੂ ਆਪਣਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਖਲੋਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾ
ايه هذا هو. شوف
ਅੱਛਾ
شوف المنظر.
ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੇਬਲ ਕਾਰ ਸੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਗੱਬੂ
وايد زين. كيبل كار بغينا نطيح منه.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
بغينا نطيح منه مطبات. ايه شفناكم قدامنا الله يا العالمين.
कितना ही पांडे हो
ايه الله اوه
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
اه
चल ठीक है भाई
Cuts,
बड़ा चंगा
let's go.
लगा मिल के हैं
حبيبي حبيبي.
हाँ बड़ा चंगा लगा मिल के हैं